Hey friends, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're celebrating peaches, sweet, juicy, and basically sunshine in fruit form. And what better way than with a creamy peach cheesecake? Let's dive in. We'll start with the crust. Grab your favorite shortbread cookies and crush them into fine crumbs. You can use a food processor, or if you've had a rough week, take a rolling pin and let out some feelings. Now melt some butter over a water bath. Once it's liquid gold, pour it into the cookie crumbs and stir until everything looks like wet sand at the beach. Dump that into a cake ring and press it down evenly. Don't forget the edges. Neat crust, neat life. Set it aside because now it's filling time. In a bowl, pour in heavy cream, add powdered sugar and cream cheese. Whip it up until it's smooth and holds soft peaks, kind of like little cream mountains that are too lazy to stand tall. Next, grab a saucepan. Into it goes water, mango puree, and agar-agar. This is where the science magic happens. Heat it up, stir, and let it cook until it thickens slightly. Now pour that warm mango mixture into your cream base and whisk gently until everything blends into a dreamy, peach-colored cloud. Spread this creamy goodness over the cookie crust, smooth out the top, and send it to the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Yes, friends, the hardest part of this recipe is waiting. Once chilled, take it out, slice a piece, and admire that silky texture. It's refreshing, light, and perfect for any summer table. And that's it, my friends. Peach cheesecake made simple, creamy, and totally irresistible. Thanks so much for watching. If this recipe made you smile, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more sweet adventures. See you next time.